Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to record a voiceover on TikTok, whether it's your video or someone else's video. First, let's open the app, and then you're going to simply press plus as you would do to upload a video. But for this example I'm going to record a video, so let me record a small video as you can see here. Then after you have recorded the video, you click on this stick, and then in the top right hand corner you're going to click down, and then you're going to select voiceover, and from there you can choose to keep the original sound. As you see, I unselected that, and then you can record a voiceover. And then after you have done, you can simply press save, and then next, and continue with uploading your video.